Welcome back to the show. It's been a while, but we got ourselves some fresh J's, and we're gonna open them up, take a quick look, get some nice close shots, and tell you how it is. Let's get this going.
Never been a type to care, but I'll be lying if I said that, baby. You know in my head right here. So tell me where your head at. Yeah, I know where your bed at. Yeah, I know where you stay at. Yeah, I know where you lay at.
Alright, so what we have here is the Jordan 11 Win Like Mike 96 edition, all red. Very nice, good quality, patent leather, nice upper, just a clean shoe. What's not to like?
All the times that we had way back, on my mind it's on the playback. Never been the type of payback, but every time I see you, it's like, why you gotta say that? No one can fucking you just stay, just go. I don't fuck with you no more. I got my worries to the left, got my bitches to the right, sipping liquor all night, baby. You know what I'm like, just stay, just go. I don't fuck with you no more.
Overall, I would just say that this shoe, the quality, unbelievable. Shoe fits true to size, and just the overall comfort of the 11, always on point. Great shoe. Check it out if you have the option to. Put it in the collection. That's it for this vid. Subscribe for more. We'll be back. See you next time.
I got my worries